Oh, almost dropped my pole there, guys. All right, we just pulled up at a little pond that I know. It is April, and we are gonna try to catch some fish on the frog. Ponds set up a little bit differently than lakes and rivers. They're smaller. This one's got a dark bottom, so it warms up very quickly. So that's what we're throwing right now. Let's go catch a fish. Guys, something big just swirled under my front. Oh, there he is. Big just swirled under my front. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, get out of the junk. Out of the junk. Here we go. Oh man, he is just covered. Here we go. Barely got, oh, he's spraying water everywhere. Barely got him hooked. There he is. That's a nice one. Whoa, he gone. So, really, I think I should be throwing a spinnerbait today. This lake was covered in weeds last week, but now the weeds have all blown to this corner, and the lake looks really clear. And we got some ripple from the wind. We got some ripple from the wind going. So a spinnerbait would be dynamite right now. But all the weeds are in this corner, so we throw in this corner. Rachel, you can cast in this corner if you want. Just watch where you're casting. Or cast right over my line. Oh, there's another one right next to the shore. Jeez. Oh man, he's got a lot of life. He hit right next to the shore. Cheese and crackers, guys. I can't even tell which way the hooks are going here. There's another one. He's kind of scarred up on the side. Pretty fish. Let's get him back in the water. So when I'm fishing ponds, I just look for the nastiest stuff I can find. And then I throw a frog in it. Or I punch in it. Just look for nasty. I like me some nasty. Here we go. Get that frog all situated. Let's do it again. So this pond has a quick drop off. Weeds right up on the edge and a quick drop off. So I am gonna cast and work my bait in, hopefully inches from shoreline. That's where I think I'm gonna get the most bites. Oh, great. The geese are going. Oh, I just got popped. Something popped me, and a goose is gonna go right in the water where I got popped. Of course you are. Thanks, geese. Thanks for nothing. You know, spook all my bass away. Rachel, don't ruin the spot up here. There he is. There he is. There he is. Oh, yeah, we got him out in the water now. Wow. goodness, 3 in the back. They're getting it in there. Look at that, choking it. It's weird, I got them in the tongue. There we go, another nice one. Not giants, but I mean, those are quality fish. He gone. Just working it in nice and slow on the shoreline. Letting them take it. Alright guys, well, we did a lap around the pond with a frog and caught 3 fish. I think it was 3 fish. Pretty solid. Not bad. They're good bites, but there was a lot of weeds the other day, and there's just a lot less weeds today. So we are gonna throw the spinnerbait now. Where is my pliers? They're there. Cause just a perfect day for it. All right, spinnerbait's on. Let's go see if we can get some more fish on that. Look at that. Take a look at this. Some storm clouds rolling in. That's my daughter. She's tagging along. Just gorgeous out. Let's catch some fish. Ooh, I just got popped. Damn. There he is, right next to the shore. Oh, he's long. Oh, look how long he is, guys. There he is. It's another one. Just changed over the spinnerbait. Been here for about 40 minutes or so. They look good, man. Let's let him go. He gone. There's a fish. Man, he just hit it and oh my goodness, that's a crappie. That's a crappie. Guys, look at this crappie. I was just looking in the water and I could see all the crappie beds. Just all along that weed edge, there's just a bunch of crappie. And this guy comes up and smokes it. I'll show you the bait I'm throwing. Let's get him back in the water so he can go protect whatever he is. Oh, jeez. He got you all wet. So I'm throwing a tandem spinnerbait, Terminator. It's like a 3/8 or a ½ ounce. And he came up and smoked that thing. Just awesome. I love pond fishing. There's one. Oh, it's a pretty good one. That one's not bad, guys. Oh, he's shaking. Here we go. Wow. Look at that guy. That one's not bad at all. Look how he got that spinnerbait in his mouth. Just in there, all the way, hooked in sideways. That's good fish. Not a giant, but a good one. Let's get him released. It's fun fishing. Here we go. Oh God, there's so much life when they go. Just working that spinnerbait. keeping it right below the surface, so when they look up at it, it's distorted from the ripples on the water. All right, guys, we just wrapped up. We're leaving now. A pond that I've been fishing for 6 years. Had permission from a homeowner, talked to the HOA president last year, is now reneged on that and said I'm no longer allowed to fish. So we got kicked out. We were wrapping up anyways, but we just got booted, which sucks because I'm still gonna break in and fish that pond, but I can't bring my kids here anymore. I can't break them in and possibly get them in trouble. I'm willing to risk it myself because you know what? Fishing's not a crime, baby. But it was a good video. It was it's April 28th and we caught 3 fish on the frog and ripped into a few with the spinnerbait. So thanks for watching. If you're still hanging on at this point, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hook me up with some more subs. I appreciate it. Have a good day, guys.